Okay, so now we're going to use dates with arrays. I just wanted to show you something I discovered in the notes, or in the um, what is it, the references. But it's this idea of using XOJO core, so I don't have to type out you know the XOJO core all the time, and so I did it while creating the. I'll just show you something. Whoops! I discovered in the notes. See, now I'm repeating myself. Okay, let me. Where am I? So I gotta turn my Twitch off here. Okay. So right over here, using XOJO core, I was able to remove this extraneous. So I should be able to do it here. Let's see if this works. So using let's see if I wonder if XOJO core. Okay. This thing's lagging. My own keyboard is lagging. Alright, let's try that. Okay, so we got it to work. I don't know if I use it all the time or just at the top. But everything works as it should. Okay. So now the goal, now what we're trying to do in this video is we're going to create an array and then put all 42 dates in there, and then go back, use a loop to fill in all the date buttons with the date. So that's the end goal of this. And I believe I'm going to have to create a property that's an array. So let's do that. So insert a property. We'll call it my calendar dates. XOJO.core.date. Okay. And then as the months change, we're just going to continually change this. So, is that right? Or is it as an array? Okay, let me check this here. So I'll create an array. So, okay, so let's just see if I can get that first one to equal it. Equal. Okay. So let's try it. So let's do dim my calendar date 0, and that's equal to first calendar date. Okay. I'm hoping that just works. Nope. Okay, so maybe I can't do it as a property. So let's delete it. And let's just do the traditional method. Okay, so back here. So let's go using. There you go. So using XOJO.core. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna delete that for now. Okay, dim my calendar dates date-41 as date. Okay. Okay, that works. There's got to be some kind of debugger or something, or something that I don't have to run it every time, but I guess I do. Okay. Now, step one is can I assign the first date? Okay, so my calendar date 0 is equal to first calendar date. Okay. Just that I got this far means it worked. Yay. Yeah, we're making little successes here. And that's really what this is all about, isn't it? Just little successes. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So the next thing I want to do is I need to create a date interval of a day. So dim so let's just call it D1 because we're gonna add one day. As new date interval. Okay. And then D1 dot days equals 1. Okay. And then my calendar day 1 equals equals first calendar date plus D1. Alright, and that should work. And not only should it work, I should have added, okay, so far it's working fine. Good night. Okay. Things are looking up. Things are looking good. Okay, so now, having done all that, I should be able to at least fill in the first two boxes. If that's true, then I can, then I can create a loop that'll fill the whole thing in. Okay, so let's do this. I'll bring it down here. Oops. caption equals string my calendar date 1.day, and this should work for 1. Okay, so that should work. Let's try it. Okay, good. We got once. It's that first few seconds. Just those first few seconds, and then you gotta wait for the non-responder to go by. And there we go. Perfect. 27:28. You like that? All right, now the fun part. We're going to do a loop. So we're going to create an array, and then we're going to create a buttons. And then if we can do that, we might try to see if we can add a month and see how that goes. Yeah, we might actually have to like clean this up a little bit and make that happen. Hi. Recording. What's up?
Hungry.
You hungry? Here. I'll get some snack then. I'm recording. What? Say hi. What? No, I'm recording right now. Yeah. We're in the middle of something, so you can come back later. Hey, stop. Okay, so now we're gonna deal with loops. Let's see. Where's my loop page here? I know I have one. Hey. Okay. All right, so let's we're gonna use this as kind of our standard here. Audrey, Brown Cookie.
You say my name out loud. Not for the first time.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna create the loop for I as integer equals let me see. Sorry, I know I've written cleaner code for this somewhere else. I just can't find it. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, so I did have it. Okay, so for I equal integer 0, and because we know that there's 41, in fact, I did that wrong, so this should be 41. We have 41 values minus 1 because it starts at 0, so 0 to 41. All right, and then should I do it? And then next. Oh, there we go. Okay, now everything shifts. And then this one should equal, that equals I. That equals I. Okay. Huh. And then Okay, so this one should be, okay, so we do 0. So plus D1. D1, okay. And then D1 equals D1 plus 1. Okay. So 0 equals whatever the first date is. Okay. Alright. So, feeling confident. This should work. I'm not feeling confident, but if it works, I'll be very happy. Nope. Okay. Okay, so I wonder. Okay, I wonder if I just start with where am I gonna do that? D1 dot days equals I. Could that work? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. I did it. Everything's going nicely across 27. Look at that. Oh. Oh. I feel so happy. Alright, and then it even looks like we're even taking account the new year. Yeah. Okay, so I mean, there are a few things I would want to do. Is like, I want to call out the actual days of the month. That'd be awesome. And then I also have an array created, so I should be able to. I mean, the idea here is I should be able to click one of these, and then pull up the array, the date of the array. So let's get a little sassy. See if we can do that. You know what sucks is that I'm gonna have to do it. I have to do it for every single button. Oh, that's gonna really suck. Or is it? Oh no, actually. Huh. No, in a way, I should be able to get the index. Okay. I'm going to try something. We're going to do insert event handler. Is it activate? Oh, for Windows. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to do it based on the button. Okay, so insert event handler. Action, it should be. Okay, action. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to make sure if I click it, so it looks like index as integer. Okay, so on action message, okay, message box is equal to string dot me dot index. Shouldn't that work? Message box, isn't it? Or is it? Is it that? Why is that not working all of a sudden? Okay, let's look it up. Message box. For some reason it doesn't want to work. Yeah, string. Okay. So message box. Alright, I'm just gonna throw that in there. Okay, there's more than one item with this name. It's not clear to which this refers. Maybe I have to do a... Let's try a method. Display date. Parameters. Index as integer. Okay, that doesn't work. Huh. Okay. Kind of stuck here. Maybe this is something I have to research. Let's try again. Message box equals string button dot index. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I had to have the equals. Yeah, there we go. That was it. No equals. Just learning the nuances. Okay, let's click it. Should be 6. Oh, okay, that's the index. Okay, so I'm pulling up the index. So when I click that one, that's, yeah, it's 9 because it's the 10th day minus 1. Okay. Okay, so got that. The right index is being pressed. So now I need to go to the array. Okay, I'm going to close this one for a second so I have everything. So the question is, does the array still hold? Okay, so my calendar date. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, will that work? Yeah, see. So that's why the I need to create a property. Okay. My calendar date as date. Okay, let's give it a shot. This is where I'm like, I hope this works. Okay, why? Then I got to do my calendar date. Huh. Well, that worked. Well, it helps when you guess. Let's see if all right. If I click 7, lucky 7. Index is 10. Okay, so that didn't work. Oh. Okay, so the index is, well, no, that's the index. Huh. Okay, so I think what I have to do is I have to grab it's not the index, it's the value of it. Huh. Okay, so I'm calling the array. Okay, I guess I'm gonna I'll be honest, I'm not the most confident in my use of arrays, but okay, here's assigning the array. So we want to call the array. So dim. Okay, now I want to access. Okay. So value equals stack dot Okay, so maybe it's okay. Let's do this. So using XOJO.core. Is that right? Yeah. My date is equal to my date dot my date dim my date as date. My date equals value, is that right? So pen insert array let's see. A pen value. So maybe that's it. Oops. That possibly be it? Yeah, so date. So value is not what I'm looking for. I mean, this is silly. I don't know why I don't know this. So how do you call an array? Let's pop. Pop as value removes the last element. That can't be right. Yeah, but we had it before, message box. maybe. Return. Oh, it's return, but I don't want to return. I want values. Yeah, let's put I don't know why this is so hard. Okay, I think I got it. So dim. No, that's not right. Huh. Do I need that? Do I even need that? Well, that works. Okay, so nothing happens when I click it, because obviously, because I had no action after that. Okay. So my date, okay. So, message box, my date. Okay, let's say I do, if I do string. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Okay, let's do dot day. So it should just give me the number of the button I'm pressing. Okay. So that didn't work. So index. So nothing's in my date. As date. My date equals my calendar date dot index. Huh. Okay. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to stop here since we successfully did the first part. And we're not able to successfully do the second part. We'll make successfully doing the second part the part of the video. All right, so have a good night.